guys, this is me, Almis, and we're at Bird Paradise. So it's not Zurong Bird Park anymore because all the birds migrated to here. So hope you enjoy the video.
What's that? No, bird, why not? Something really hit Korea. Yeah. I'm too scared. The bird, why not? Huh? The bird, why not? To the wild view. That's a bird. Oh my. OMG, Emo. First time seagull ko. Let's go up. Hello. Hello there. Hello there. My name is Almis, and what are you doing in this wood cave? Nothing. Oh my God! You see my arm? Crazy big bird. Kind of cool, but curious.
Kaya mo yan.
Africa are a vended secret. And today we are going to watch Nelson make an attempt to catch this from the surface of the water. So Nelson, whenever you're ready, here he comes. Let's dive right down!
Now I know it's pretty quick and some of you might not have caught that, but don't worry, just take a look at the screen. We have a close-up. And look at our powerful work. Let's give Nelson a big round of applause. Well, Sapphire is a medium-sized raptor, but don't let her size fool you. She can steal a prey from a bird as big as Nelson, the white-bellied sea eagle.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, while walking around our parks in Mandai, don't forget to look up into the skies, because you might be able to spot some wild raptors circling around. Now, of course, this is what they look like in the skies. The one on the left is the white-bellied sea eagle.
Well, Romany kinds like Sapphire here have M-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. And they're much more brownish in color. Some of that, I think Sapphire is very excited to head back home. So Sapphire, the home is right over there. Beautiful. Let's give her a big hand.
That's right.
It's possible is because owls have soft edges and a tip of their feathers, which helps them with air turbulence and reduces noise.
It's time for our lovely owls to hit that home, but for that,
Mr. Raoul, over here. Now this is an unusual bird of prey. He uses his long legs to walk around and forage the ground skillfully.
now these birds are intelligent and inquisitive. They will raid the nests of other birds and even steal food from them as well. And as Dina mentioned, some impressive caracaras also feed on carcasses. So being very opportunistic scavengers, when they see a carcass, they will seize the opportunity and take a bite if they can.
Joe,
Yes.
what about the insects that they find under the rocks?
Now, row. Let's try high. And up we go! Look at that!
Okay, well,
I'm watching over what they do. And in fact, when the king descends upon a carcass, other vultures will make way for him.
now the feast only really do. Now these birds are the middleweights who eat the flesh and organs of the carcass. Once the carcass is found, they will wait nearby before beginning the feed. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for the meal and strip a large carcass down to its bones in less than a few minutes. Now once fully found in Africa, these birds are now critically endangered.
Moving on to the next course of the meal, which is a hike and the leg of meat and to river cactus, feeding on the charms of land.
Now we have one more scavenger species for them, right Joe?
That's right, Nina.
So everyone, let's welcome our marabou snarks from Africa! Now these birds have dagger-like
And even though they are not vultures, they cooperate and coexist with them, joining them in their feast. Now did you know that in Africa,
The only way to save these birds from going extinct is through conservation efforts. So everyone, let's take a moment and give a big round of applause to these amazing birds to keep our environment safe.
now today you have met raptors and scavenger birds, these kings of the skies and the focus of our earth. Well, they are all a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. If we were to lose these amazing birds, we will be losing a part of
Okinawa sheep penguin. There's everywhere.
不动呀！你们这是看病啊？走，不要。
Look down more penguins, sir. There goes.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you like the birds and the penguins here and the other stuff. Bye bye and see you next time.